Today, I have not a new piece of technology, but actually a book. A book I wrote, sort of. This is Awakened Words, John Wesley's Wisdom in a Modern Voice. John Wesley was an 18th century Anglican priest who wasn't just a theologian, but was a social activist and reformer, outspoken for the poor and the marginalized, and a big believer and advocate for both social and personal holiness. I have taught his writings to new member classes and in book studies. I've preached about it in sermons, and I've always run into the same problem. He was an 18th century Anglican priest and wrote like one. And so much time is given over when you want to explore Wesley's writings into just kind of figuring out what he's trying to say in his words that feel very arcane to those of us in the 21st century. So out of that frustration, I decided that I would help modernize Wesley's writings into more approachable English vernacular so that we could continue to be blessed by his great wisdom and his inspiration. And that effort gave birth to this book. In here, you're going to find some of John Wesley's most important writings, all modernized into modern English with an eye towards maintaining technical accuracy and being very, very faithful to the original material and his original intentions. So, this is going to be a great resource for either your personal reading, personal devotion, and I have included a small group study guide as part of it if you want to tackle it in a small group setting with some friends or in your church small group, wherever it is you may be. Awakened Words is available now on Amazon. Just search for the title. You can also visit www.foundry.dev, my website, to find links to this book and along with all the other materials that I have developed over the years. Links to those will be in the video description, so please check it out today. And if you like it, leave it a review on Amazon and maybe share it with your friends. Thanks.